Hi, my name is Namiot. I'm a mortgage loan officer. I started my career in January of 2003, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of information on how I work. So unlike most lenders that want to send you a link or take some information over the phone, get you pre-approved, send you a piece of paper and tell you to go out shopping, I work a lot different than that. So the first thing I'm going to do, regardless if you owned a home before, you own a home now and you're again home buyer, or you're a first-time home buyer or an investor, we're going to jump on a call, and this call is going to be a call about your goals, your dreams, what you're looking to achieve purchasing a house. And it doesn't matter how many times you bought houses, we always want to talk about what is it that you're looking to do so we send you down the right path. Because not every loan is fit for every single person. And sometimes you may think this is the one for you, but there's other options. So we're going to look at options before we even start the pre-approval process and making sure that we're on the same page. And during that call, I want you to ask me questions, as many questions as you want, as many times as you want. Don't feel like you're asking me too many questions. I'm here to answer the questions when you're making a huge investment like buying a house. So I make it real simple. The second thing is, I go ahead and provide digital offers. So when you're about to make an offer on a house, we look at ways that we can save you money. It doesn't matter if you're a first-time home buyer or if you're an investor and you've been down that road before. We're going to talk about smart strategies that can maybe save you thousands of dollars on your mortgage, hundreds of dollars a month and thousands of dollars year after year. So we're going to look at everything before we even move on to getting you pre-approved. Once you are pre-approved, I am going to give you a piece of paper like every other lender, but I also do something a little bit different. When you're ready to make an offer, I actually contact the listing agent and I send them a link which will have a video explaining your financial situation, not your personal stuff, but basically, hey, we've been through underwriting, we got you fully underwritten, approved, we have your income, your assets, we ran the credit report, we have basically everything we have to get other than third-party conditions. And why is that so important? Because when you're making an offer, you want to make sure your offer is strong. So while you might even be higher than somebody else in a multiple offer situation, a lot of times people will take the strongest offer over that. And I can tell you from my own personal experience, I flipped houses for 10 years on the side. And I didn't always take the highest offer. I took the strongest offer. Sometimes my wife would get mad because I left a few $1,000s on the table, but I did my homework. I checked into it with the loan officer. I made sure that we had solid buyers. So somebody might be a few $1,000s less, but the offer was strong. And I knew that we weren't going to be 25, 30 days into this and find out, hey, there was a problem because nobody knew about this. So this is why we have these conversations and we talk about strategies, smart strategies. How can we get you a deal on a house where you can save money? And if you're refinancing, the same thing. We're going to look at different ways that we can refinance and find out what the best route is for you. So if you are a first-time home buyer or you're thinking about buying a house and you're not ready right now, or you think maybe you can't afford it, or maybe you don't have a down payment, let's talk. It's an easy conversation. There's no obligation. I'm not going to push you. So if you called me and said, hey, Leo, I'm thinking about buying a house sometime next year, what are the steps? And what do I need to do, and where should I start? I'm going to give you my advice. I'm going to tell you what you should do so you're ready when you're ready. 10 months, 12 months down the road, you'll be ready. So give me a ring. There's no pressure, no obligation. 904-712-1500. I'm here to help you make a smart decision when you're purchasing or refinancing a house, whether you've done it before or not. Just give me a ring. Let's schedule a call. 904-712-1500. Thanks for stopping by.